In this video, we are going to see the unboxing and test video of Boya M1 mic, or it is named as Boya by M1. First, let us tear out the package. Let us see what is the inside of this. See, here it is a package which is covered with the bubble cover or safety cover. So, is there anything inside this? So, it is now empty. So it is came with very safety of package from Amazon. You can check out here. This is the cost of Boya by M1 in the Amazon. Now let us remove this bubble cover. Here it is, the actual box of Boya by M1 mic. See, after many safety package also, the actual box is somewhat damaged. You can see here. Now let us unbox the main box. This is the Boya by M1. Here it is the specifications of that. So let us unbox this thing. See, inside this this is the things which are getted in the main box. There are the things which are getted in the main box. This is the one paper manual, and here it is a warranty card inside of this paper manual. Here is the one type of card like qualified certificate, and here is the main pouch. Inside this we have things like, let us uncover this thing. It is a one connector for, this is for the 3.5 to the DSLR pin. So here is the clip, which is the collar clip. You can see here it is came with damage. See, it is a clear, you can observe here it is a got it with damage one. Let us keep aside. And here is the rubber, you can call as wind rubber on the mic. And this is all of the things which are getted in this cover. Now let us see what are the other things inside this. See, here it is the heart of the unboxing, which is the, you can call Boya by M1 mic. See, it is a very long cable. Here is a one silicone strap, and it is the heart of the unboxing, which is a Boya by M1. And again, let us see what are the other things inside this. So it is half empty. Now let us connect this thing over here. See how it is looking like. So this is the main mic. See, for DSLR, to use with DSLR, here you need to on to camera mode. Otherwise, for smartphone, you need to keep to off mode. See inside this. Already it is installed with the battery. Now I have stitched the broken thing with the gum which are at my home. Now let us test the mic, how it is going to work. Now this is the testing of Boya by M1. You can hear the voice, how it is be. I have connected the Boya by M1 to my phone. So this is of the sound quality of Boya. Put the sound quality how it is be in the comment box. Now when I have to be silent, you can hear the noise around of me. So this is all about the Boya M1 unboxing and the testing video. So if you really like the video, don't forget to like, and how is the sound quality of the Boya, put in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe.